Our topic for today is all about vertically opposite angles. So we must be able to recognize the properties of vertically opposite angles and apply the properties of vertically opposite angles to find the unknown angle. What are the properties of vertically opposite angles? You can see we have angles here. So we have angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. What can you say about these angles? Very good. Angle A and angle B are angles on a straight line. What else? Yes, same as angle B and angle C are also on the straight line. So, angle C and angle D also, angle A and angle D are on the straight line. Adjacent angles are two angles that have common arm and common vertex. So, do we have adjacent angles here? Yes, the angles A and B are adjacent angles because they share a common vertex and a common arm or a common line. Same with angle B and C, adjacent angles. Angle C and D are adjacent angles. A and D also adjacent angles. So, adjacent angles add up to 180 degrees. What else can you notice to these angles? Yes, angle A and angle C, very good, are vertically opposite angles. How about angle B and D? Same, also vertically opposite angles. So if we say vertically opposite, the measure of angle A is the same as angle C. The measure of angle B is the same as angle D. How to find the unknown angles? The sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees, and the angles vertically opposite are equal. Let's apply the properties in this figure. So AB and CD are straight lines. Find the unknown mark angle. So we're going to find angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. Okay, we have here the first problem. We have to find angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. So what did you notice about the angles? Very good. You can spot already that this angle and angle Y are vertically opposite. And vertically opposite angles are equal. It means if this is 57 degrees, angle Y will be 57 degrees. Now we're going to find angle X and angle Z. How are we going to find angle Z? Yes, angle Z and angle X are vertically opposite. But if angle X is unknown, we cannot find the angle Z. So what we're going to do is, very good, we're going to use the property of angles on a straight line. What are the angles of the straight line? Yes, this angle 57 and angle Z are angles on the straight line. We said that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. It means 57 degrees plus the angle Z is equal to 180 degrees. Now, how are we going to find angle Z? Very good. We're going to subtract. Angle Z is equal to 180 degrees minus 57 degrees. So, angle Z will be equal to 123 degrees. That's right, 123 degrees. How about angle X? How are we going to find angle X? Very good, 123 degrees also, because angle X and angle Z are vertically opposite angles.
Next, we're going to find angle A and angle B.
Okay, take a look at this problem. We're going to find the measure of angle A and angle B. But we're not going to use the protractor to find the angles. So we're going to use the properties of the angles that we learned. So take a look at the angles. What did you notice? Very good. This angle B and 27 degrees are on the straight line. That means angle B plus 27 degrees add up to 180 degrees. How are we going to find angle B? Very good. We're going to subtract 180 degrees minus 27 degrees. It will be 153 degrees. So angle B is equal to 153 degrees. Now how are we going to find angle A? How are we going to find angle A? To find angle A, we have vertically opposite angles here. The angle B and the sum of angle A and 46 degrees. That means if we add angle A and 46 degrees, it is the same with angle B, which is 153 degrees. So angle A plus 46 degrees is equal to 153 degrees. Now how are we going to find angle A? Very good. We're going to subtract. Subtract 153 and 46 degrees. So if we're going to minus, angle A will be 107 degrees. So angle A here is 107 degrees.
Last example, POQ and ROS are straight lines. So POQ, so this is the line, and ROS, so this is the straight line. So we have two straight lines. Line PO is perpendicular to line PQ. So we have symbol here. So find angle X.
Okay, take a look at these angles. How are we going to find angle X? There are vertically opposite angles here. What angles are those? 138 degrees is vertically opposite to this angle. This symbol indicates that this is 90 degrees. It means the sum of 90 degrees and the angle X is equal to 138. So let's add angle X and 90 degrees. Sum is 138 degrees. Now how are we going to find angle X? Very good. We're going to subtract 138 minus 90 degrees. 138 minus 90, it will be 48 degrees. It means angle X here is 48 degrees.
What did you learn to this lesson? You learned how to find the angles using the properties of vertically opposite angles. To sum up our lesson, the properties of vertically opposite angles. First, the angles are equal and the adjacent angles add up to 180 degrees.